Oh, I got blue there. Love that for me. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I'm going to be playing with my Blue Blood palette. Today, the day I'm filming this, the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker collection's launching, and I'm like, do I want it? Do I really need it? Oh, I don't know. So I'm like, you should play with the last Jeffree palette you bought and kind of base your decision on that. This is a great palette, but since it is all kind of blue tones, I don't reach for it as much as I probably should, especially for as much as I paid for it. The tones are really beautiful, it's just I don't wear blue eyeshadow every day. I think today I really want to play with the greens. I want to try to do like a double cut crease thing, try to be a little more creative and see what I come up with. Also, it's June, almost the end of June, so I really need to do my second giveaway, June giveaway. I'm trying to do a giveaway every month. So I've got a box full of goodies. I'll insert a picture, I guess on the screen in a second of everything that's in the giveaway. There's the BH Cosmetics Royal Affair palette. There are some lippies. There's some primers. That's the Touch and Soul No Pore Blonde. There's the Glam Glow Bubble Cleanser. More lippies, some little samples, some shampoo, lotions, mascaras, eye pencils, all kinds of stuff. So to enter, it won't be that complicated. You just have to be subscribed to my channel here and leave a comment below, and also be following me on Instagram. At the same time this video goes live, there will be a post there about the giveaway, and just like and leave a comment on that photo too. So easy enough. Subscribe here, leave a comment on this video, follow me on Instagram, like and comment on the photo about the giveaway. That's it. Anyway, let's get into this and see what I can come up with. Okay, I zoomed you guys in. I've already got my brows done. My eyes are primed, and I put some of this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Blue Liner in my waterline because I thought I was going to do blue, and now I think I'm going to do green. Whatever, it'll work, right? I think this look is going to need some tape, so hold on a minute. Okay, now that I'm super uncomfortable, let's get into it. I know I say it a lot, but my brushes aren't dirty. They're stained, and a lot of them are stained green right now. Sorry. I'm going to start by going into Mint Tea. How many of you plan on getting the Jawbreaker palette? I spoke on it in my most recent Will I Buy It that I'm mostly torn because of the size. I'm trying to get away from huge palettes. Really, my sweet spot lately is like 9 to 12 pan palettes. Like, God, those Colourpop 9 pan palettes, perfect size. And how many shades is in this? 28. It's just, it's so much eyeshadow. And I know I'll never go through it as long as I'm alive. And the Jeffree palettes I have, I really do like a Blood Sugar and this Blue Blood palette are so insanely good. They're pigmented, they blend really easily, the shimmers are pretty. There's like a few shades that are a little hit and miss, but that's with any palette. I think the price reflects the quality. So I'm not even mad that this palette's, I think, $58. The Jawbreaker, that is. I'm just like, you don't need a palette that big. But some of the colors are unique to my collection, and I think when you have a collection as big as mine, if you can find uniqueness, like, maybe you should go for it. Like, a lot of those pastels are so pretty, and then I'm trying to remind myself that I'm not an Easter egg, and how often am I really gonna wear pastels? I don't know. As I put kind of a pastel-y shade on my freaking eye right now. All right, I'm just taking a clean blending brush and I'm gonna go around the perimeter. Nothing to see here. Just make it a little more pretty. And the shit out of it. I'm gonna take the shade Flourishing, which is the most beautiful teal shadow. Oh my God. And anytime I've used it, it's blended so effortlessly. I'm so envious of people without hooded lids. Like, what a dream. A few weeks ago in North Carolina, when I was visiting my in-laws, I got drunk over there, and a relative's daughter who's 13 was there, and I was like, can I go do your makeup? And she was like, yeah. So I was like, sweet. So we went upstairs, and that sweet little baby trusted my drunk hands to do her makeup. And to do eyeshadow, first of all, she has the biggest, most beautiful eyes, like 10 times Zooey Deschanel's freaking eyes, with these, all the lid space in the world. To do eye makeup on that tight of an eyelid and that big of an eyelid, oh my god. Let me tell you. Like, she's already a beautiful girl, but I was like, damn. I give her this beautiful smoky eye with the sultry palette. And she's not even like into makeup. That was the killer. I'm like, man, if you liked makeup, you would be like all about yourself right now. But I didn't. She was just kind of like, eh. It's like, oh, okay. It just looked so good. Forever envious of people with space. Who don't have to do all these damn optical illusions. I didn't even have to cut her crease. I was able to just do it with the shadow. It was, man. Look at how the shade is blending out. I've barely even been working on it, and it's just perfection. The perfect teal shadow. I just have to decide if I want to go higher because I don't know how much of a cut I'm going to be doing exactly. Blend those together while I think about it. I also really hope I didn't play myself with this blue eyeliner. We'll see. Alright, pray for me, y'all. I'm going to start cutting this crease. Just taking my white Colourpop concealer. Does anyone remember that gimmicky, because let's be real, it was a gimmick. It was like a stamp that you could do for a cut crease. When I started getting into makeup, I mean hardcore, I started getting into makeup around 2 years ago, but it was pretty much a year ago. Yeah, because a year ago I started my makeup Instagram account, and Lord, some of those first few months were rough with those looks. I saw Manny MUA review that cut crease stamp, and I was like, oh my god, that would solve all my problems. At this point, I didn't realize like that my eyes were hooded. I didn't realize why, no matter how hard I tried, or like if I spent hours trying to do my eyeshadow, it just wasn't looking like the Booty Gurus. I didn't get it. So I bought that stupid stamp. You'd have to paint the concealer on it, but it was freaking gigantic. So it took up like my whole eye essentially. So then I'd have to be really careful where I painted the concealer on. It was just a freaking disaster. And then one day I realized, oh, just painting the concealer on myself is a whole lot easier. Why am I messing with this thing? Gimmicks, man, gimmicks. Alright, that's pretty dang even for me. So, for my skill level, at least. Basically what I want to achieve, if I can, I've never done anything like this before. I want to leave a little bit of the space at the top, but then I also want to create another line and then have my shadow on my lid. I don't know if I'm going to get there. It might just be the one little line, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Just as kind of a guide, I'm going to take the shade Entitled right here, this shimmery teal, and I'm going to focus it more closer to my lash line. And I'm just leaving that space up there. This shade is gorgeous. I'm not going to carry it all the way down because I do want to go in with a darker shadow. I want to go in with a darker shadow on the outer corner. But I'm going to drag it most of the way, I think. Okay, I want to leave that line, but I also want to... I wonder if it would be too much to do flourishing. I'm going to take Undertaker. Just leaving that white space. I'm going to go right below it. And hope I don't ruin everything. It could be worse. I haven't ruined anything yet. Okay, it's going. Let me do the other eye real quick. I just gotta go really slow like a turtle. Then hopefully I'll be able to clean that up because for some reason I'm having more fallout on this eye even though I'm tapping. Okay, it's getting there. I'm just gonna take this flat brush and go back into the shade Entitled, and then hopefully I can get like right under. Look at me trying new things and possibly failing. Whatever, it's just makeup, thank God. It does wash off. I should probably wet my brush. You guys know me, I'm not wetting shit. Okay, I'm gonna take Cremated. I'm just gonna tap it on the outer corner. See what happens. Yes. I'm gonna just blend it by tapping it into the shimmer. Now I'm just gonna like tap between the two. The shimmer and the matte teal. Beautiful. That Undertaker shade, I'm just going to try to take a little more and just clean up that line that I made. All right, so here's what we look like so far. I should probably take the tape off. And then it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go put a base on and I'll be right back. Okay, obviously I'm back. I've got a face on. Let's do the lower lash line. I'm gonna go in with Cremated first. And I'm just connecting the lines. I'm only taking it about halfway in. Next, I'm gonna go in with Flourishing. Okay, and then I'm gonna take Mint Tea. Okay, I'm just taking a small fluffy brush. Just smoke it out. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take Cullinan. This is like the prettiest shimmery white shade. Blinding. Just popping some on the brow bone. All right, mascara. I'm gonna take the Colourpop BFF mascara and Blew Your Mind. All right, guys, this is it. This is the finished look. I think for my first time trying something like this, it's not that bad. Like I tried the little line the other day, but now trying to put something under it before my actual cut crease, not bad for a first time. Obviously it could be cleaner, but I'm happy. And anytime I get to play with the teals in the Blue Blood palette, I'm a happy girl anyway. So the whole reason why I busted that palette out today. Am I getting the Jawbreaker palette? Yeah, I am. I'll be doing a review of it. I can't help myself. The quality on the mattes is just so dang good. So look forward to that because I'm spending all that money. Oh, and also, just a reminder, don't forget to enter the giveaway of stuff. The rules will be in the description box below too, just in case you need it. Anyway, that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave in the comments below if you plan on picking up Jawbreaker or anything from the Jawbreaker collection. I'd love to know. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye!